in the book Memory, Body and Dance and Other Essays. The second chapter is about Te Reo and the Māori language strategy, and it seems to have caused a lot of comment, quite a lot of good comment at my end. I'm very pleased. And it is an accidental paper, I suppose, because I started interviewing people on the radio, as you do, just about various things, day to day, minute by minute, without thinking too much about what you're doing. And because I was working in the Reo, I managed to get some really good interviews, I thought. And I haven't used those interviews in the paper. The reason being that I didn't have permission from people to use them. I might have quoted one or two that had appeared nationally, people who had appeared nationally, and I've tried to quote the other interviews, not my interviews, just because I didn't put it to those people that this was going to be written up, and so I didn't feel that was fair. I've documented a couple of semi-official functions, such as gatherings of people to learn things, and I've looked at a lot of literature. There's a lot of literature involved. I was amazed, actually. I had written, obviously, earlier about Te Reo, and published a grammar Te Reo, Te Reo, and my first book actually was with Katalana Mataira, and that was the Oxford Picture Dictionary. So I've been involved in a tangential way, I suppose, in a kind of, yeah, without thinking about it too much, in the Reo, and I've taught it from time to time. When people have asked me to, I've taught it, and it's been fun. But this is a little different because of the moment, and the moment is that a new Māori language strategy is being developed. I happened to be doing the interviews at the time, and it worked out so that a lot of things that I'd written about over quite a long time started to make sense, and also there was a bit of urgency to it, because between between cup and lip, there wasn't much time, really. So there you go, and I think that the paper's very good. I want to thank the various people who've asked for it to be published with them as well as in this book. I won't mention who they are, because it's not published with other people yet, but it's published in Campus Press, and I'm told it's an original look at the Reo. So there you go, let's close with that. Kia ora mai rā, kui te.